Jim Cramer with our energy expert Dan Dicker. Dan, the elephant in the room. KMI. What do we do?
I think it's a dead buy, and I'll tell you why.
A buy.
Dead buy. And
everyone is selling or shorting this stuff.
I know. And believe me, the entire space is bad. Infrastructure is bad. MLPs are bad. We know that. There's a Fed hike coming in December. We know that. These are going to be affected. There's clearly going to be lower for longer inside the oil space, and that means less production coming offline for 2016 for U.S. shale players.
So the toll road will have fewer cars on it.
Exactly, fewer cars on it. All of this would seem to say, okay, it's really not the time to get in. There's one guy in the world who's been able to call the oil market better than anybody else in the world for almost 2 decades now, and that's Rich Kinder, and he's been a buyer. He bought NGPL, which I got to admit, it kind of shocked me. This is a totally debt-ridden organization of natural gas pipes. Went in with Brookfield on this, but you look at it and you say, but it's Kinder. Anybody else?
Okay, I come back and I say the rating agencies are going to say, listen, taking a junk, you won't be able to raise capital.
Moody's did that, and in fact, that's what's driven the price lower. I mean, it's dropped $5.50 in the last 2 sessions. $21, I think, is a gift, though, Jim.
Does he have to do a 50 million share equity offer?
At some point, yes, there is more raising of capital that needs to be done. He did a preferred share raise. It hasn't worked out real well. There's going to be another raise
but
at
you
some
said
point.
But you didn't say to buy it when it was there.
No, that's the point.
I mean, you did not like it.
$21, 8% dividend. The cash flow covers it for as far as my eyes can see. Sure, there are some issues down the road for the space in general, but
this is
Rich Kinder.
All right, I'm just going to do this. What you're doing is a line in the sand. You haven't liked it.
That's all I'm going to say. Rich Kinder.
Done.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com.